Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Science Vessel Armstrong under the Terran system. We have been attacked by an unknown predator. We have sustained heavy losses, including our captain. Our star drive is severely damaged and inoperable. We are attempting to repair damaged fuel cells to maintain life support. We're launching escape pods to hide amongst the asteroid belt near Nebulon 5. We are 48 souls. Any starship under any system, please assist. Please assist. Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Captain, I'm picking up a lot of noise. Noise? From what? It's starting to interfere with our comms. We've lost all external signals. They just cut out. Solar wind? No, it's not coming from out there, Captain. I think its origin is behind us. Behind us? Is it showing on our aft sensor array? I'm getting nothing, Captain. Just static. Very well. Battle ready. Raise shields. Arm cannons. Helm, bring us about. 180 degrees. Full about, Captain. Aye.
Shields raised. Cannons online.
Pulse? Aye, Captain. Standing by. Ping. Aye, Captain. Single pulse.